Update Revolut app on Android. Quick tutorial. To keep your Revolut app running smoothly and securely, it is essential to update it regularly. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to update the Revolut app on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or in the Apps drawer. Tap on the icon to open the store. Once the Google Play Store is open, tap on the menu icon, which is usually 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the menu, tap on My Apps and Games. This will take you to a list of all the apps installed on your device, with available updates listed at the top. Look for the Revolut app in the list of available updates. If an update is available, tap on the Update button next to the Revolut app. If you do not see the Revolut app in the list of available updates, it means that your app is already up to date. If you are prompted to accept permissions or terms of service, read through them carefully and tap on Accept to proceed with the update. The update process may take a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on the size of the update and your internet connection. Once the update is complete, tap on the Open button to launch the updated Revolut app. You can now enjoy the latest features and security patches that come with the update. As a best practice, it is recommended to set your Google Play Store to update apps automatically. To do this, go to the Google Play Store menu, tap on Settings, and select Auto Update Apps. This way, you will never miss an update and your apps will always be running with the latest features and security patches. By following these simple steps, you can keep your Revolut app updated and ensure that you have access to the latest features and security patches. Regular updates can help protect your account and prevent potential security issues. So it is essential to update your app as soon as updates become available.